Hey guys, Monica AI is like having a personal assistant for all your tasks. Just sign in up, set up your preferences, and Monica AI helps you organize everything from managing your schedule to sending reminders and tracking goals as well. It's super intuitive and saves time so you can focus on what really matters. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how you can use Monica AI. So the first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into Monica. So you have just to type like that Monica, right? Monica like that. And you click over the first results that appear here. So once you click over, you'll find here this page, which is the home page. Firstly, before getting started, let's know what is Monica AI. So Monica AI is like your personal digital assistant that helps you stay organized. It keeps track of your tasks, reminds you of important things, and helps you manage your schedule all in one place, making life a bit easier. Alright, so let's get started by clicking over here as to Chrome. It's free, and you'll find a page which is this one. As you can see, you have just to click over here to add it to the Brave, and then you get started with Monica AI. Right, or you can just right now we have another options which is clicking over signing in the top. Here I already have an account, that's why I don't have here. I have only my account here, as you can see. And then you'll find other page once you click over sign in, which is this one. You have just to select here sign in up, and then you'll find three options. If is it signing up with Google, signing up with email, or sign up with Apple. So I think it's more better to choose email, and then you add here your email, your password, your nickname, and then you click over signing up. Then you'll find this page, as you can see. So here we have Monica AI, how it looks. You can just get it started right now. We have various options that we should know, and let's get it started. First, let's just give an example. For example, let's just ask, for example, what is the best platform research AI, and you click over enter, and here we have the best AI platform for research. You have Google Scholar, Semantic, and let's ask you a wonderful question, which is which better, ChatGPT or Monica? Which platform is better, Monica or ChatGPT? Then you click over enter. Here we have type Monica, and we have conclusion. We have here for conversational leads, you choose ChatGPT. For relationship management, you choose Monica. So Monica is specific for relationship management, as you can see. Also, we have here other options. For example, if you want an AI search, if you want to craft artifacts, then we have here chat with page, generate documents, generate here also, and we have here all. If you want to add new chat, you click over here, and here we have a new chat, and then that's it for this one. And we have also here AI art, AI search, chat with PDF, AI mind map, upload files, and we have also writing agent. Let's just move right now to the options that we have in the left. As you can see, let's just select it firstly bots, and you'll find in bots here. If we want also here top, if we want models, productivity, developer, education, product marketing, we have also here design, research, lifestyle as well. So we have here about the top right 10 agent, then we have here travel planner, website cooperation, we have GPT here, and we have preview as well. So let's just move right now to the search, and about this one you will find here how to raise a cat, and you have just to search for whatever you want. You can select here and make it pro by clicking over here and switch it on. We have the discover new COVID-19 variant discovered, Nobel Prize winners 2023, and we have also here the option of read. So about this one, you have just to upload here your document, you have just to put it here, and you upload it from your computer, as you can see, and then you have just also choose other option and enter URLs like YouTube, Medium, and you have just to talk and start read here. Click over read, and you'll find here and start discussing. As you can see, then we have here the option of write. But this one you have just to choose if you want to compose, reply, or grammar as well. Then you start here, tell what to write for your. Here we have answer to generate. You select firstly your length if you want an auto, short, medium. About the format you select if you want email, message, comment, paragraph, article, or blog post ideas. We have other things. Then we have tone, well, output, language you select if you want English and which language you want, and you click over generate and you start with that. Also, you have here the option of reply. It's the same. You have the original text and what to reply. Then we have grammar again. You can here paste the text below in order to check it for grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors. Then we have here translate as well. About this one, you'll find here you choose here the language that you want, and then you choose the language that you want again here to translate. So let's just give an example in the first one. So I will just enter, for example, here if, for example, it's just a simple word, and I will click over enter, and here we have it right now. So in GPT we have here manger, in Google Translate we have manger again, in Microsoft Translate we have manger. So here we have the resource, and we have the same thing here. We have manger, so it's the same, and it does mean manger, right? So here we have AI art. About this one, you have just to describe the picture, characters, scenes, and style you imagine, and then you'll find his photos. For example, here we have Brad Pitt, and I will describe in here a famous actor. So let's just give in here an example: basketball player, the. So for example, I'll give here this one basketball player that shoot 3 points, and then I will click over enter, and here we have the results. Also, you can here select the option of artist and you search for your artist. Alright, so we have it right now. And then we have also here toolkit if you want. If you want to chat it with PDF, AI resume scanner, PDF Word, and we have PDF to GPG. So it's very useful to use this platform. So about the first one, chat with PDF, you have here easily get intelligent summaries and answers for your documents. AI resume scanner, we have quick candidate assessment and interview questions. PDF to Word, we have here convert your PDF to Word documents. Then we have PDF to GPG, convert each PDF page to a separate JPG file. Then we have OCR PDF, OCR a scanned PDF, so you can easily select and search text. Then we have AI resume checker, use AI to review your resume and receive feedback to improve it. Then we have invoice scanner, PDF to PNG and PDF to PPT. Also we have here imagine tools. Here we have remove background, remove object, remove text, and other things. Then we have AI tools, AI content detector. All right. So this is for Toolkit, and this is for those platforms that could help you for this website, which is Monica. All right. So this is how it works with Monica. You can just get it started as soon as possible because it's very helpful to use it and your relationship management. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.